Want to compress a PDF file without losing quality? Here are the best methods to keep your files small and sharp. Launch the web browser. You want to go to ilovepdf.com and search for your webinar called I Love PDF. Type I Love PDF as the entire word and press Enter. Then, as you can see, there are a lot of tools there, but we want the compressed PDF tool, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. Next, let's go ahead and tap on Selected PDF Files. You must first launch your File Explorer and locate the PDF that you wish to access, and convert. In this instance, it's located on my desktop and is named Address. I'm going to touch it open. Then, once you've uploaded it, move over to the right where these options are. Press the PDF compression button, and it will happen quickly. As you can see, it will then to declare that PDFs have been truncated. Click the Download Compress PDF button, and it will begin to download. Files are downloaded incrementally by every browser. Alternatively, you can always navigate to your Downloads folder in your File Explorer and find your files there. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.